And so that leads us to self-care, and many holistic therapies, many management courses, many personal development courses will have whole lists of 100 ways you can look after yourself, or how important it is to look after yourself, because if you do not look after yourself, how will you be able to look after other people? And in fact, if you Google 10 key ways of self-care, you'll come across things like reading, about sharing, about sleep and relaxation, about exercise, about diet, about intermittent fasting, about one meal a day, restricted time feeding, about care for others and all. So it's very common, this. And certainly in Christianity, your first most important ministry is to yourself. Watch your life and doctrine closely. Persevere in them, because if you do, you will save both yourself and your hearers. Investing in your development, which is, after all, why you're on this course, unless you got it for free. And even if you got this course for free, you're still investing time, unless you're fast forwarding and finishing the whole course in 10 minutes to get a completion certificate, but then you won't hear me say this, will you? But you're investing time and resources to look at this course, to do further research, to do homework, to do further reading, to pause, to take notes, to think, to contemplate, to ponder, to reflect. And if you bought this course for $9.99 or $100.99, you will have invested finance in this. But the most important resource that you're investing in this is time. And so investing in your development is the first ministry. That could include, say, monthly or quarterly retreats, finding a good spiritual director, or seeking a mentor at different stages of your journey. Also, to live what you preach, enduring the agony and birthing process of preparing sermons takes a lot of time. And this is if you're a preacher in a church, but what about when you make speeches to employees? What about when you enlarge on the vision of your company? Or what about the message that you put across the media when you're trying to sell your products? What image are you actually trying to give out to your customer? What need are you fulfilling? What is the core of your product or your service? What is the core of your company? Is it integrity? Is it honesty? Is it quality? Is it low price? Is it high value for money? What are the core elements of your product, of the process, the suppliers that you use, the working environment in which people are living and working every day? And how you treat your workers, your conscientious workers, how are you empowering them? How are you motivating them? How are you encouraging them to be conscientious? What are the core messages that you are putting across? And remember too, that everything starts with a good idea. And good ideas can be birthed in periods of intensive prayer. If you follow circadian rhythm, maybe you get up an hour before sunrise and you meditate, or you pray, or you look around at the surroundings and you're grateful for what you have. And you may also be grateful as to what you can give others. And with this gratitude, you share your time, you share your resources. And maybe in the quiet of the morning when you get up, or the quiet of the night, perhaps at sunset, or perhaps just before midnight, new ideas come. Where can ideas for a business come from? And remember, there is no area of our lives which God cannot invade. There's nothing that you can do or say or think or believe or act that God cannot invade. And if your business does well and you're putting forward high quality, you're putting forward value for money, you're helping the stakeholders, remember those ideas I talked about earlier, then maybe God is helping you.